Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be doing a fragrance haul. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. And thank you so much for your continued support. I really appreciate each and every one of you. If you haven't yet subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and activate that notification bell so that you will be notified of new videos that I upload. The first fragrance I have here is Note Vanille by Micallef. This fragrance was kindly sent to me by Micallef, and the box looks like this. It was wrapped in this really nice wrapping paper with a bow. I'm gonna insert a clip of the video where I unwrap this. So watch this. This box has a rhinestone, and I think this packaging is stunning. And this is what the bottle looks like. Their bottles are handcrafted, and you can see the beauty of the craftsmanship. It says Micallef Note Vanille, and it looks like it's handwritten. This bottle has rhinestones going around. I adore Micallef bottles. I have to say, they do make some stunning presentation. I will go ahead and read the notes. The top notes, there's mandarin orange and citrus. Middle, floral notes and jasmine. Base notes are vanilla, rum, cognac, amber, and sandalwood. This is such a beautiful, warm, cozy, boozy, lightly smoky vanilla. I like the atomizer, very fine mist. It's warm, spicy, woody, boozy, floral, balsamic, slightly smoky. The smokiness is not coming from any type of tobacco or a cigarette smoke. It's the smokiness that vanilla sometimes gives off, just creating this beautiful, warm aura around you. This smells divine. This is such a beautiful interpretation of vanilla. I absolutely adore this one. It's a creamy, boozy vanilla. It's very comforting, sensual. I can see this keeping me warm on those really cold nights and days. I have been enjoying wearing this since I received it. I can't wait to wear this and enjoy it in a really cold weather, because I just think it's gonna perform beautifully and it's gonna keep me warm and cozy, like being wrapped up in a blanket. And it's stunning. The booziness gives it like a sexiness. This is one of my favorite vanilla fragrances as of now. So again, this is Note Vanille by Micallef. They were also kind enough to send me some samples. The first one comes in this dainty pouch. This is a cute little bottle of Note Vanille. I think this is so adorable. This will be great for traveling. I can just put this in my bag and take it with me wherever I go. Performance of this fragrance is great. This lasts on my skin up to 8 hours. It projects nicely. People around me can smell it. And the sillage is stunning. I also received 2 samples from their Secrets of Love collection. The first one here is called Glamour. Comes in this little atomizer, and I will go ahead and spray some in here. This is good. This one reminds me of Alien. I smell the jasmine. This smells like a refined Alien. Not sure of all the notes in this, but I'm getting a big dose of jasmine, which I love. I love my jasmine fragrances, and it smells indolic. It's really beautiful. This next one is called Delice. I'm just gonna go ahead and spray this and tell you my thoughts. Oh, this is good. So what I'm getting in this is plum. I'm getting some cinnamon. It's like a juicy, ripe plum. Cinnamon, rose, and there's slight oud in this. I'm picking up a little bit of oud. It's not a heavy barnyardy oud. It's like a nice, clean smelling oud. Oh, this smells almost gourmand. It smells delicious. So yeah, this is a really good one as well. Really like these two, and I may be picking up full bottles. Thank you so much, Micallef, for sending me this gem and the samples. This is a beautiful fragrance, perfect for fall and winter, for cold weather. I will be getting a lot of use out of this. This next fragrance I received from Fragrance Du Bois, and it comes in this beautiful, stunning packaging. This opens up, and it's a beautiful velvet black box with the gold emblem. And this is the fragrance. This is Santal Complet. I feel so fortunate and lucky to have received this. This is one of the ones that I have not tried from Fragrance Du Bois. I did sample quite a bit. I own the Oud Orange Intense, which I absolutely adore. I also love Oud Jaune Intense. This is stunning. I just love the bottle. I will go ahead and read the notes. In the top notes, there's coconut and lemon. Middle notes, there's violet and black pepper. Base notes, sandalwood, vanilla, amber, and musk. This fragrance is creamy. It's warm, spicy. Get the coconut, which gives it a nice tropical touch. This is a beautiful, creamy sandalwood with a delectable coconut. It's warm, inviting. It's luxurious. I can really smell the high quality of the ingredients in this. The oud in this one is not detectable. This is such a well-blended, well-balanced fragrance. These notes are so well blended together that they don't really jump out at you. There are no harsh edges. It's just creamy, smooth. And what I love about this fragrance is this is one that I could wear year-round because it does give me very warm, comforting vibes for the cold weather. I have worn this one during chilly evenings, and it smelled amazing. This will also work beautifully in spring and summer because of that coconut, which gives me the tropical vibes. It's very versatile in that aspect. This is a fragrance that's non-offensive, that could be worn any time of day to any event that you're attending. I can see myself dressed up and smelling like this. I can also see myself being on the beach in a bathing suit or a long flowy dress and smelling like this. I absolutely adore this fragrance, and I'm so happy to have this in my collection. Thank you so much, Fragrance Du Bois, for sending this over. This next fragrance comes from the house of Vilhelm Parfumerie, and this one is called Do Not Disturb. This actually has a sleeve that I removed to make it easier to open. This is the box it comes in. And I got the smaller size. I think this might be 50 ml. I have not smelled this one before. This was a complete blind buy. I heard about this one on Giselle's channel, GB Fragrances. I'm gonna put a link to her channel down below in the description box. She spoke about this fragrance a few times in a few of her videos, and it just sounded divine. It sounded like something that I would like. Let's take a moment to look at the bottle. This bottle, for some reason, gives me like retro vibes. It gives me 70s vibes, even though I haven't seen fragrances from the 70s that were in this type of a bottle. But it's yellow, and the pattern, it just screams retro 70s to me. Not sure why. The name of this fragrance was actually inspired by a sign that was put on the door in the basement of Studio 54, the infamous Studio 54 in New York City, which has shut down. They were rumored to have a room down in the basement. There was a sign that said, "Do not disturb," and whatever went on there stayed there. I guess all the celebrities gathered there and did God knows what. That will remain a mystery. This one has notes of carnation, ylang ylang, blackcurrant, and papyrus. There's also Haitian vetiver. I definitely get that blackcurrant straight at the top. The carnation gives it a smokiness. This is warm. It's floral, a bit spicy. It's a little green. It's a jammy fruit from the blackcurrant, which is a note that I love in fragrances. It's aromatic. The papyrus in here gives it a woodiness. It smells very sensual. It gives off such a beautiful sillage. The scent trail is exquisite, seductive, it's unique, it's elegant. It smells expensive. I do sense patchouli, even though it's not listed in the notes. There's that sexy patchouli in here, which is the kind that I like. I feel like this is a great one to wear on date nights, on night out. Maybe if you're going dancing, if you're going to dinner, this will dress up any outfit. It's just so sexy, so different, so unique. I have to keep repeating unique because it's very unique. I haven't smelled anything that smells like this. I don't have anything like this in my collection. This is insanely beautiful and unique. The performance on this is great. It gives me about 8 hours. It has a stunning sillage. The sillage on this is even sexier than when you smell it up close. And this really projects nicely. It's stunning. I suggest trying a sample of this because I know that some of the more popular ones from this line are Mango Skin, Poets of Berlin, which are really nice. I purchased this one off of Lucky Scent, and I did order samples of Poets of Berlin as well as Mango Skin. So I was able to sample some of the other ones, and I have to say that Poets of Berlin is probably going to be my next one from this house because that one is divine. That one smells delicious. This one is just so unique, and I feel like those other ones get more hype here on YouTube. I haven't heard too many people talk about this on YouTube. I just think it deserves so much more love. Again, this is Do Not Disturb by Vilhelm Parfumerie, and I'm happy to add this to my collection. The next one is called Modest Parfum Deux, means two. I don't know if there's one released. I haven't seen it on the website. So this is Modest Parfum Deux by Afnan, and this is a Middle Eastern brand. They're based in United Arab Emirates. The packaging looks like a book, and it opens up like this, and you get the note pyramid here. This is what the bottle looks like. It's a stunning bottle with a gemstone, and I don't know why it's called Modest. The thing about this fragrance is modest, not the bottle and not the scent. I will go ahead and read the notes. In the top, you get strawberry, dark chocolate, cherry, and raspberry. Middle notes are vanilla and spices. Base is gardenia, spicy patchouli, and musk. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is a delicious gourmand. And this is a cheapie. I purchased this for 37 USD. This is stunning. I'm not sure if this is a dupe for anything or if this is an original from this house, because I do know that they dupe some fragrances, but I personally have not smelled anything out there that smells like this. It might have a similar vibe maybe to some fragrances, but none that I could think of at the moment. This smells like a decadent dessert. It's as if you took these fruits, the strawberry, the raspberry, the cherry, and dipped them in chocolate. That chocolate note really comes through, and it's like this delicious dark chocolate. It's sweet, fruity, bit jammy. It's a little spicy. It's mouth-watering, it's sexy, it's alluring. And this one is perfect for the cold weather, for fall and winter, because it's sweet and it's heady and it's intoxicating. This is not a fragrance for warm weather. It can get a little bit too sweet, but it just blends into my skin so beautifully, and it just smells amazing. It smells delicious, it's rich, it's almost syrupy, it's thick, it's dense. Oh my gosh. Whew. This is a fragrance that makes my eyes roll to the back of my head. For you gourmand lovers, you should really get this because, like I said, it's a cheapie, and it smells a lot more expensive than what it is. And as you can see, the bottle is stunning, the presentation is stunning, and this is just a scent that I can't wait to wear more of when it gets cold. This is seductive, it's warm, it's sensuous, deep. It just smells delectable. Chef's kiss. I have been adoring this. Makes me want to like lick my hand. That's how good this is. So guys, don't sleep on this. This one is a hidden gem. Again, this is Modest Pour Femme Deux by Afnan. This next one is also from the house of Afnan, and this is called Her Highness in Red. Presentation is stunning. Look at the paper. So elegant and so luxe looking. It comes in this lacquer red box. Look how gorgeous. This is stunning. Slightly pricier than Modest. This is still under $100. Look at the stunning presentation. This bottle looks so expensive and luxurious. This is a very heavy bottle. It's red. It's a beautiful red. It's gold trimming and the cap is gold. I just can't get over how amazing this is. I heard Maggie from Total Fashion Sense talk about this one, and I'm going to put a link to her channel down below. Maggie and I also share similar taste in fragrances. The notes to this were very hard to find. This one is not on Fragrantica. This has sea salt and citrus notes, which I do smell, and heliotrope and juicy fruits, which I do pick up. But that's about it. They don't go into detail. So this opens up citrusy and bright and crisp and fresh. I get those juicy fruits, and fruits in here I'm guessing are passion fruit. It smells like some kind of berries and maybe mango. I also smell white florals in this. There's probably jasmine, which is not too prominent. The juicy fruits are the ones that really stand out. It's powdery, it's sexy. It's a bit musky on the dry down. This to me smells like a spring and summer fragrance, like a fragrance you might wear to a beachside vacation. This also gives me strong vibes of Kirke by Tiziana Terenzi. This might be a dupe for that one. I'm not sure. Maggie also mentioned that this smells like the Hob, which I have not gotten my nose on, but I have heard that it also smells like Kirke by Tiziana Terenzi. So I guess these three share very similar note structure. They share a similar vibe. This one is a little bit different than Kirke to me. It smells so good. This is amazing. I expected this to be more like a winter time type of fragrance based on the color of the bottle, I guess. I think I was expecting something richer, warmer. This fragrance is more refreshing. It's a summer fragrance, and just like Kirke is. And I will definitely be wearing this spring and summer, and while we still have warm weather out. I have been wearing this one, and I love the sillage on this. It's sexy, bright, it's fruity. It makes me happy. So if you guys have been wanting the Hob and you have smelled that one, but you just don't want to spend the money, that one is pricey. I think it's over 200 USD. This one is definitely budget friendly, and it smells expensive. It smells sophisticated. Afnan makes great fragrances. I have been really enjoying Rare Tiffany, which I have from them, and I just think it's a great house. I'm looking forward to exploring more of their fragrances, especially since they're so affordable. This completes my haul for today. Please let me know down in the comments below if you have tried any of these fragrances, what you think about this haul. I love hearing from you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you back here soon. Take care.